Delclynee heat press is manufactured around the idea that the best quality components will produce the most durable and most accurate machines. We have the unmatched quality and class craftsmanship. Let's take a look at some of the features of this heat press. The first thing about Delclynee heat press is solid steel welded framework. Reinforced structure to ensure high pressure make this heat press capable of heavy-duty applications. The powerful clamp mechanism make it easy to increase leverage and torque, and it makes sure to provide complete end-to-end even pressure and heating. The scratch resistant baked on paint is to ensure easy cleanup even if transfer materials stick to the heating plate. The upgraded heating element inside the heat plate is designed for quicker heating and also maintaining steady heat for longer period. Delclynee heat press offers an additional lower pad cover. This cover can keep the bottom pad clean and also prevent the lower pad from sliding when you load and unload. The handle on the bottom board will provide additional support to easily use the heat press and to make sure you have full control of the machine. The handle also provides additional support when operating the heat press at high pressure settings. Turn on the heat press by pressing the power switch into the on position. The Delclynee heat press also has an advanced digital gauge to display temperatures with 5-degree accuracy range. Press temp button to access target temperature settings. Press the up or down arrow to set desired temperature. Press the temp button again to lock it in. Press the time button to access target time settings. Press the up or down arrow to set the desired time. Press the time button again to lock it in. All of the Delclynee heat presses undergo an extensive quality control procedures before shipping, and each unit comes with 1-year warranty for parts and services from the original date of purchase.